Do something creative every day. Let's make a mandala wall decor today. Welcome everyone to Funwax Art and Craft. Today we are going to make a beautiful home decor, a relaxing art, mandala and a little bit of calligraphy on it, and we are going to make a wall decor for your home decoration. I have made it and I have placed it in my drawing room, and it looks very beautiful and very attractive. For this I have used all the material available at home: a waste cardboard, a waste calendar piece, the calendar of the old year. Applying some glue, I am going to cover the circular cardboard piece with the calendar, keeping the white side on the top. You can choose the size of this circular board as per your wish. You can also make a small tea coaster out of a cardboard. Here I am making a wall decor. The size can be around 10 cm of the radius. So the diameter is around 20 centimeters. For pasting the white calendar, I am cutting the opposite side and then I'll have to fold it so that it comes out neat and clear. After cutting, fold them. You can apply glue under this, or you can even use a tape to fold the paper. Once it is done, then we will cover it with a simple plain white sheet to make it neater on the back side. Now I'll apply a round sheet to make it a little neat on the back side. We are going to use this side. I have taken a rounder and now I'll make few circles, semi-circles you can say, of different sizes. It is as per your wish, as per the mandala you want to make. You can make circles beforehand, or you can also make them during the making of the mandala. I am using a scale to divide this into half, and then few more parts we will be making in this. All the parts are just estimated parts. I have not measured anything. 4 parts, and then dividing these all 4 parts into half. So finally we have here 8 equal parts. Now starting from the center, a small circle again I have made here. A mandala has repeated designs of the same kind. Mandala is basically the art which shows connection. All the designs are interrelated with each other. If we draw mandala mindfully, we can experience a relaxed and connected sense of being and feel that everything in the life is connected in the same way. It basically relaxes the mental, emotional and spiritual mind and gives a state of well-being. So you can use any kind of design, not necessarily the design should be same as I have made. Whichever design you feel like, you can make in between these lines. Here I am drawing any kind of designs that I am feeling like to draw right now. You can draw the intricate geometrical compositions which are based on the circle, which are also known as mandalas. You can draw any kind of a mandala. It basically has a deep spiritual meaning that gives relaxation to the mind and the body. I believe that you should practice mandala once in a week to channelize your brain and your mind. Once this is done with the pencil, I'm using a marker here to finalize the lines. This is all ready, so let's erase it now. You can add more intricate designs in this, as I am adding a little bit more of it. Now I feel like inverting the design and making a little more on this side. So a little more of curves. Now I feel the design is a little complete. Let's add some colors to it. Before adding the colors, I'm adding few lines here. Then I'll add also a flower at the center, at the main starting point. A small flower here. Now let us make it a little colorful using the sketch pens. The colors of your choice, any colors you can use here. I'm using a mixture of the rainbow colors. The mandala is almost complete now. Let us add a quotation to it. The quotation can be of your choice. I am writing here, may all who enter as guests leave as friends. Meanwhile, while the video you're watching, don't forget to subscribe the channel and even like the video. You can also press the bell icon for the future notifications. And for calligraphy videos, you can watch the playlist of my calligraphy videos. You can learn many different strokes of calligraphy in that. If you want us to write a particular name or a particular sentence, you can also leave that sentence in the comment box. Let us know what you want us to write with calligraphy strokes. Once the quotation is complete, I am using a brush pen to fill the inner parts of the lines. Making few designs here and there to cover up the white portion. A few dots here and there to fill in the gaps. You can make the designs of your choice. I feel like adding a little more of design. I'll add few hearts also, but using colorful pens. Just a little bit of outline is what I'm adding here. I feel like using a little more colors in this. Yes, a blue color for the outline of the stag guests, a yellow color for the outline of the beautiful name of friends, a red color to highlight the few aspects of this quotation, a little green too. A little pink now. Small hearts here and there to fill in the gaps again. And now I feel that it's almost complete. Yes, now I'm going to place it on the wall. Leave your suggestions for me in the comment box. And again, I'm telling you, don't forget to subscribe my channel. And please press the bell icon for the future notifications. I'm going to come up with more such videos. As I always say that creativity is contagious. Keep passing it on. So keep passing the creativity on and stay creative. Bye bye.